In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Insta360 X series cameras, the X3, the X4, why I think they're incredible, how they have saved me on multiple projects now, and why I think you might invest into one of these for yourselves. The versatility of being able to reframe with these 360 cameras is just, it's incredible. It's really cool. And they're about to jump out. They're going to open the door and jump out here. So we can see them getting ready. The pilot at this point is going to be calling 1 mile out, half mile out, on top. And so right now they're probably, looks like they're on top. So if we pause right here, see this little dot right there? That's where they're going to land. And I know that because I used to work here. This is Guam. You can see the main Tumon Bay right over here. Look at how wide this perspective is, just right here. Okay, so right here, I'm going to pause it again. Okay, so they're just about to go out of the airplane. So you can see right here, we've got 3 cameras, the X3 or the X4 right here, shooting at 5.7K, 60 frames per second. And then we've got a GoPro 12. I think this is a GoPro 12 shooting at 4K 120 at a wide 16:9. So we're going to have to crop in on that if we're going to use this for social media, which the company that hired me to do a social media video. So if we want to mount that GoPro vertically, we're going to have to do a little bit of tricky rigging on that. And then he's got a Sony A7SIII. This is just a backup shot. It actually looks really good. It doesn't look super weird. And you can go even wider. You can do like these crazy tiny planet things with the 360 cameras. But let's get on with the jump. I know you guys probably just want to see the jump and say, Cody, shut up. Just jump. Okay, so here they go. They're going to go out of the plane. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here they go. Again, just a quick pause. Epic shot with the airplane right here in frame. Skydiver in frame, island and clouds in frame. You can see the wild distortion happening way out here on the edges. But again, right here, looks pretty good for how wide this is. We're going to continue. Nice little high five right there. Epic. Right here, this shot. I mean, can you beat that? You got this entire skydiver right here, top down on top of his head. Whole skydiver here, airplane still in the shot, island in the shot. Epic. Okay, continuing. Just a wild perspective. This is going to be cool. So we're going to see him. He basically says bye. He's waving goodbye. He's flying away now because they need to get some space between them so that they can open up their parachutes. Here he goes. This is Sky opening his parachute. You can see in the background right back there, Christian opening his parachute already above that cloud because we're not supposed to go through clouds. Right on the edge of this cloud. Now I know some of this is not the best, but like right here, I used this in the final edit. When he starts using his rears, what he's pulling on right there, those are the rear line set. I used some of this in the final edit right here. This is pretty cool. Remember that tiny little brown dot I told you guys where he's going to land? So here he is coming in for landing. I'm going to show you one more jump, the best one, the one that the Sony file corrupted on. And I'll show you that in real speed. Here he is for landing. There I am right there with my camera, filming their landings. And here comes Christian. I know I've got to fast forward. Here he is. You can see him right here. He's swooping, so he's gaining speed right now and going to come flying across the ground. Doing his final turn. Leveling out. Cruising across the ground just like that. Epic. So yeah, I lived and worked here on this island for 2 years. This is where I met my girlfriend. I scraped my knees up crazy bad right here. I broke my tailbone right over here on the ground. Just by chance, there was a rock. Like I did a normal standard landing and I just happened to hit a rock and broke my tailbone, compressed my spine, really messed me up. I'm still feeling that today. Right now, I can feel the pain in my low spine. Let's get to another jump. Okay, yeah, so this is the jump that has my A7S3, Indy filter, 4K 120, everything perfect. This is the one that the file got corrupted, and the 360, this is the footage that I ended up using on the video that I got hired to do. Here they go. They're waiting for me to get a couple shots right there. Okay, here's their exit. A little distance on the exit. GoPro's kind of sticking in the way on this one. We didn't realize that the 360 was going to look so good. Look at this shot right here. Looks like it's shot from space, right? Look at the clouds, the sunrise. This is the best time to shoot. Sunrise and sunset, of course. You get that golden hour, lots of contrast. We get contrast on him. Look at his leg right here. This is why this shot looks so good. We got a highlight on this side. We got a dark spot, a dark shadow on this other side. You can see his face, all the contrast. This is why this looks good. See the airplane way up there? Already, they've only jumped out. They've only been out for like a couple seconds here. Anyways, let's keep going. This is shot, this is real speed. So this is what it actually looks and feels like, real speed. Okay, so now he's gonna go flying around in circles right here. Happens pretty quick. Skydiving is fast. They're moving about 130 to 150 miles an hour. Could be a little faster, but free flying like this, they're flying about that speed. If they went really fast, they could get like 170, 180. Same jump, these are just the highlights. And then this is the 60 frames per second slowed down. So this is where we're really gonna see this shine. So this is 5.7K, 60 frames per second, slowed down. I mean, look at the detail of the clouds way out here. Check this out. Super smooth, like butter. And how stable is this? There's no camera shake at all. Incredibly smooth. Look at the detail on him. You can see his shoelace flying around. His shoe's untied a little bit. Sick shot right there. Let me back that up. Boom, right there. He's just flying upside down. It's so cool. Okay, so continuing. There's the airport. Right underneath him, you can see this is the Guam International Airport. Here's the Tumon Bay. I used to live right over here. Continue. This is the best shot right there. This is the best shot right here. This is so cool when he goes around this corner, around in the circles right here. Money. Put some music to this. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Freaking epic. Insta360 X4 5.7K 60 frames per second. I don't care who you are, whatever you think about 360 cameras, you just can't do this with another camera. So that's why I think 360 cameras are so cool. Let's watch that again. Freaking epic. This is one of the best shots that I've ever gotten with any camera. And of course, it's not me. This is my friend Sky. He's jumping because I'm on current. And then Christian jumping like this. I can fly like this kind of. They're better than me for sure. But I can fly on my head a little bit like this. You can just put this anywhere. Put it on a jet ski. Put it on the front of a car. Put it all over the place. Put it on a long selfie stick and go skiing down the hill. You just get these incredible shots. Pretty cool. Saved my butt multiple times now. So I'm pretty stoked on this camera, the X4 specifically. X3 kind of made me fall in love with them. X4, super epic. Can't wait to get more shots with them. I know I'm going skiing and snowboarding. It's January now. I might have a trip here at the end of January, but I know for sure that the beginning of February, I'm going on a road trip in Japan. And I have two X4s. And one of them I'm actually going to be giving away. So if you're my local audience here in Taiwan, pay attention to my Instagram because I will announce Insta360 X4 giveaway on my Instagram coming up. And I'll probably do that in February. So if you're outside of Taiwan, unfortunately, I'm not going to deal with international shipping with these giveaways. Anyways, kind of a long rant here. I'm going to end it with this and just let's take a look right here at this. Oh, that was cool, the little lens flare right there. Let's see if we can stop it right there on that lens flare. Oh, boom, that's so cool. I got to get that. I got to get a little screenshot of that and send it to him. It doesn't get much better than this. Amazing, amazing. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.